For companies that organize their business activities and projects, mainstream ERP fails to deliver the tools and capabilities required to effectively manage those projects financially. As a result, companies rely on disconnected standalone applications and spreadsheets to manage their portfolio's finances. Adeaca One Project Business Automation is different. With sophisticated financial project management tools completely embedded in the ERP, you'll be able to manage all financial aspects of your project portfolio in one system. Forget about manual interfaces, data mapping, and employing hordes of financial controllers that only produce outdated information. From initial estimation, through budgeting, change control and costing, to cash flow and contingency management, Adeaca One provides the necessary financial tools to manage even the most complex projects. Not only is Adeaca One completely integrated with the underlying project accounting system and back-office domains like production, procurement, and inventory, it also unifies financial project management with operational project management. Managing the full project lifecycle, operationally as well as financially, in a single integrated solution enables Adeaca One to automate and align business processes so you can operate in a completely new way, offering unprecedented control and visibility into your finances and operational procedures, and creating efficiencies where none existed before. Let's see how Adeaca One enhances normal functionality to bring your project financials into a new paradigm. Here we are defining the project's cost breakdown structure and establishing the cost and revenue estimates. Because the project schedule is also managed in Adeaca One, we can directly leverage the WBS work estimates as a baseline for our labor budget. Not only do we have direct access to the quantity of hours in the WBS, we can also directly apply applicable pay grades and prevailing rates from the project accounting module. Once the budget is established, we can time phase the entries for accurate cash flow projections and earned value management. Again, we can leverage WBS information for this purpose by applying the timeline from the project schedule to our estimates. This means the project's financial plan is now completely in line with the operational plan. In this next scenario, we're reacting to a client request for a scope increase. Initially, we'll amend the WBS to reflect the additional effort required. The financial impact of WBS changes is captured in a change set, which we can subsequently use to estimate the change order we'll submit to the client. Here in the change order, we can copy the financial impact calculated in the change set and add material and expense components as required. This type of seamless integration between operational and financial project management reduces manual workloads and duplicate data entry, allowing controllers to stop managing data and start managing projects. In this final example, we're establishing estimate of completion as part of the month-end process. This yields critical project performance data, including projected variances and margins, as well as completion degrees, productivity indicators, and cash flow projections. Because the entire costing process is managed within Adeaca One, you'll always be working with real-time data. For instance, price changes coming from purchase order confirmations or production estimates are immediately reported as committed cost entries, giving you the early warning required to adapt or adjust to projected variations before they materialize. All costing sheet entries are fully auditable, with extensive drill-down capabilities to source documents and ledger positions that provide all the details you need. A central component of the costing process is evaluating cost to complete, which is a precursor to estimate of completion and proactive cost control. Because Adeaca One synthesizes operational and financial project management in one system, we can directly transfer the remaining work estimates from the current project schedule as cost to complete estimates in the costing sheet, thereby aligning financial expectations with the prevailing operational project plan. Once the budget period has been completed, the full dataset is stored for future reference and will serve as a baseline for trend analysis, earned value analytics, and revenue recognition, providing real-time insight into these financial metrics. As these few examples show, Project Business Automation from Adeaca and Microsoft breaks down the traditional financial and operational barriers in project-driven industries, unlocking new possibilities to automate and align business processes across your company. Embedding the financial project management discipline within the ERP provides instant visibility across your project portfolio and instills financial accountability in your company. Reach out to us today to receive your own personalized demonstration of Adeaca Project Business Automation and learn more how we can help your project business.